This week's royal news reminds me that progress isn't always linear. After emerging from a haphazard 2024, the royal family really seemed energised and focused as they entered into 2025. And to be honest, in many ways, they still are. But a hiccup this week with the King's health was a timely reminder for all of us that improvement isn't always without its setbacks, and the King's health is still somewhat fragile. Here's what happened this week.
His window was partly wound down as he left Clarence House. Even that says a lot about the King and his approach to his cancer treatment right now. He wants to be seen by people. He wants to be as open as possible, even now when the palace says he's had this bump in the road. After such a busy week of engagements, the announcement he was cancelling a trip to Birmingham obviously came as a surprise, but shows he is still under doctor's orders, and this time they decided it was too much. But with us still not knowing what type of cancer the King has, it hasn't stopped some asking if we still deserve to know more.
The good news is that the King will still be able to largely manage his schedule and is still planning to travel to Italy next month. Hopefully Queen Camilla and Princess Anne can at least get in his ear and encourage him to slow down, even if it's just a little bit. And thankfully, Princess Catherine is in remission and will still be able to carry out a greater workload. This allows the remaining working royals to cover the breach. Now, one thing is for certain, King Charles is determined to make the most of his time as king. It's obvious from his energy and eagerness that he's determined to carry out his role, even if there is the occasional hiccup.